Guys, let's dive right in. In today's video, we're going to be doing a butt workout to grow your glutes. This exercise basically is this. It's a kneeling squat, so you're basically down on your knees like me, and we're just going to squat. You can do different variations of this. You could do this way firstly, and then I'm going to show you another way to make it more intense, and we're going to do 30 of these. So if you want to make it more intense, you can add in 2 pulses. Pulses basically create more pressure. So this is the variation with pulses, and this basically intensifies the kneeling squats, really isolates the glute. This will have you really feeling the burn on your glutes, guys. Recently been trying a lot of workouts with pulses, and I've noticed they are amazing and they can really transform your workout and help you transform your, especially if you're trying to grow an area quicker, like your glutes, they can make the transformation process quicker. So I highly recommend incorporating pulses into your workouts. It's really been beneficial for me, and I'm hoping it'll be beneficial for you too, and you may just notice yourself getting those results that you're after quicker. Also wanted to show you guys how it looks like from the side. So keep going. Remember, if you get tired, rest, drink some water, but quitting is never an option. So keep going. You got this. You can do this. You're amazing. Keep going. Also, I was about to say don't watch my hair, guys, but you know what? I'm literally embracing myself and loving myself in all forms, whether raggedy or like the best. Just love yourself exactly the way you are. It's easier said than done, but love yourself in all forms, whether you're glammed up looking like $1,000,000 or whether you're in quarantine with your hair in twists. Know that you truly are a goddess. Now moving on to the next exercise, which is leg raises. Forgot to say, remember to take a 20-second break, and take deep and mindful breaths. I feel like when it comes to exercise, your breath is everything, and that's true for life. If you can control your breath, you can control your whole life, guys. No exaggeration. So ensure you take deep and mindful breaths, breathing in deeply through your nose, blowing out through your mouth. And do not be fooled by these guys. They literally look a lot easier than they actually are. Raising your buttocks as high as you possibly can. Your hips into the mat, like so. "20-second rest, stretch it out." Also do yoga videos, which you should check them out. I'll link them down below. 20-second rest, you can do this, no idea why. Or you can take deep mindful breaths. We're going to do in and out legs for 30 again. I've also got a variation of this to make it tougher and more intense, which I will show you in the next clip. Another reason why your glutes may not be growing, which plays a pivotal role in growing your glutes, is the flexibility of your hips, guys. And this is not to be overlooked, because if your hips are flexible, then it allows more blood flow towards the glute muscle in order for it to grow. Oh my god, I can't even talk today, guys. Seriously. I also have made a video on hip openers and basically increasing your flexibility in your hips, which I'm gonna link down below, and especially like working on the side splits as well, which is I've also made a video on. These are like major key factors in growing your glutes. All too often, majority of people overlook. Don't let it be you. The way to do this to make it more intense is by using a glute band, which basically isolates the glute even more, applies more pressure, and we're going to do 30 of these as well. I'm using a Grace Fit band. Down below if you want to purchase one. 20-second break. It's time for the next exercise. And we're just taking our knee and we're going to like imagine yourself drawing a circle with your knee, and then to finish it off we do like a fire hydrant like so, and it's 30 on each leg. And this looks so easy guys, but it's not easy, I swear. After you've done 30 of these, your glutes will be on fire, trust me. But that's what you want, because when you feel that sensation like your glutes have really worked, that's when you'll start to like notice your progress and your transformation. So that feeling's awesome. Over to the next leg. Let's go, go, go. You got this. Big circle and then boom, fire hydrant. Second break. Now it's on to reverse lunges with kickback, and it's 30 each leg. Let's go, go, go. You can do this. You kick back, really ensure to squeeze that glute muscle for the maximum results. Sometimes be tricky to find your balance with this exercise, so I suggest using your arms like I'm doing. And then you rotate legs to the opposite leg, obviously, but I've only filmed one side. I have no clue why, so apologies guys, but you do rotate your legs. Obviously, after you've done 30 on your left leg, then complete 30 on your right leg. Well done guys, that's us completed the workout. Thank you for joining me, and please like, comment and subscribe, and please share this video, and I really hope that it's going to be beneficial for you, because these workouts have really been beneficial for me. And now basically all that's left to do is this. I have no idea why I'm doing this after a workout. It's just one of my random things that I do. Mind you guys, I've finally been able to balance on my head, which is like major. I even gave up, you know. I thought that it couldn't be done, and literally I always say never quit, because when you least expect it, like, you'll do it. And literally look, I've done it, you guys. So this kind of has nothing to do with butt workouts. The moral of the story is never ever give up guys, because you do not know how close you are to success. Now after your booty workout, all that's left to do is show that butt off because you earned it. You worked hard for that.